I just got my first Whiff Box in the mail today, and I wanted to open it. I do not know what is in here. This is a surprise mystery box that Scentsy sends, so you don't know what's in here. You can get it every month. You can get it whenever you want it. So let's open it. So this one is for November. Okay, so we've got this paper. I think this says everything about what's in the box. Oh, and these are like gift tags or something. Table place cards. Okay. Did I say gift tags? Okay. Tissue paper. Ooh, look at that. That's a lot. Okay. So we have cranberry garland. This is a full wax bar. It's cool. I want to smell this. Actually, we have this in the catalog right now. Oh, it smells pretty good. I like it. Okay. Then we have the huckleberry wreath. Let's see if I like it. That smells good too. Actually, all of these are really good. And then we have the Very Merry Cranberry. Let's see, smell this one too. Okay. Okay. Ooh, we have a hand soap, cranberry and tinsel. So this is this is new for the Christmas, the holiday season. So this is gonna go into our bathroom. Look how cute that is. Okay. Okay, we have 2 laundry samples in clothesline. So this is laundry liquid in Scent Soft. I have not tried this scent yet in laundry liquid, or laundry line. Okay, and then we have this big thing of Scentsy soap in the Winterberry Apple Tea. Oh, it's huge. This box is definitely worth the money. This was $30, and we got a whole bunch of different things in it, so definitely worth it. Okay, this right here is a little scent. It's like a wax sample of wax. It's like 2 cubes of it. So just rip that off and put it in the warmer. So this is Pretty in Plaid, and I believe this is the scent of the month for next month, for December. So I haven't gotten to smell that one yet. And then this one is candied. Let's see, candied cranberry pecan. So that's gonna be. I think this is a new one as well. Don't quote me on that. I'm not. There's so many new Christmas scents that I am not keeping up with them. But anyway, so that's the box. I'm actually really excited about this. It's my first box, and I just got it in. I have the soap. So there's that. Okay, so if you were counting, this values at $36, and you only paid $30. But if you're shipping it separately from a party, then you're going to be paying shipping too. But it's not too crazy expensive. And then you also got free samples. So do I think this is worth it? Completely. One thing that might be a down part is maybe not liking those scents. But that's kind of the chance you take, like I said. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you would like to get one of your own Whiff Boxes, which I totally recommend you do, make sure you send me a message or go onto my personal website and type in Whiff Box. It'll come up and you just order it and it comes right to your door. You can also send these as a Christmas gift or a surprise to someone. So you can just order it and then ship it to their address. They'll get a little surprise and y'all will be happy.